Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to make a private story on Snapchat. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmake it. So first of all, I'm going to open my Snapchat application, and from here I'm clicking on my profile, and now I'm clicking on new story, and from here I'm selecting new private story. Choose who can view your private story. Only you will be able to add to this story and invite friends. So from here I'm selecting this one, create story, and here you have to rename your story, private story, save, and here we can see a private story section has been created here. Now I'm clicking on it, and from here I'm capturing a photo and I'm sending this into my story, into my private story, and that's it. This was the way we can make a private story on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unmake it. Thanks for watching this video.